Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today this is the thing for the last survey. Almost 300 views. Crazy, right? Mike's photo page. Spaghetti models. So hurricane warning for over here. Hurricane warning. Jupiter Island. At Vero Beach. Miami. Well, hurricane watches from Jacksonville area around here, and then tropical storm warnings right around here, and then the top part of Miami goes up, well, the top part of Miami, and then right here, don't really know, to up here. Oh, Larry's vacation. We're back on Larry. Hey Larry. Let's look at Cocoa Beach. Look, dude. Shaky. There's some rain on the on here. There's waves though. Hello doggo and hello kitty. Yeah. I can actually move this place around. Look how windy it is. It's windy. Oh, if you want to see the other channel live or about live, go to this code right there. Yeah, it's moving less than 1 mile per hour. 165 miles per hour, and 916, 45 miles east and northeast of Freeport, Grand Bahama Island. Cold winds, I can actually show you over here, but not yet. Warnings again. Lots. This is where they think it's gonna go. Wilmington, North Carolina is gonna get hit. Charleston, Jacksonville, Atlanta, Miami, around that area, and Hatteras, North Carolina. Storm surge forecast 4 to 7 feet, and then 2 to 4 feet right above Fort Lauderdale. Tropical storm force winds. There you go. Rainfall forecast through Friday. The highest. That's about like 18 through 2 feet. To 2 feet. And that's all for that one. This lady again. So Florida evacuations Martin County, Palm Beach County, Indian River County, Brevard County, St. Johns County, Volusia County, and Duval County. Read them if you want. Pause. Whatever. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, all of this stuff is going to go to American Red Cross. If you want to do it, it'll be down below. Leave a like, comment, something, please. Refresh. This podgy. Hi. It's really windy right now. Oh, sorry for the glare. I'll move it. Look at that palm tree. Oh my! I don't control it, but somebody else does, and it's gotta be. But look at those waves. Those waves are insane. Get cam control. Then wonder map. So y'all, this video could be a while. This hurricane is a horrible hurricane. Coco. So Jacksonville Beach, the miles per hour is what we need. Palm Coast. Daytona Beach. Palm Bay. Vero Beach. Gotta zoom in. West Palm Beach. Fort Lauderdale. Miami. I'm only doing stuff on the East Coast. Freeport, 59 miles per hour. I'm so sorry for these guys. Oh my jeez. Scrolling. This can't be true. 101? No sorry. Okay. Brunswick, Georgia. Savannah, Georgia. Hilton Head. Charleston. Myrtle Beach. from Myrtle Beach. Now we're getting into North Carolina. Wilmington. Come on. Okay. North Topsail Beach. Where's Jacksonville? Oh yeah, there. Oh! My ears just got tingly. Jacksonville? Okay. Oh, Jacksonville's up here. Okay. Swansboro. Beaufort. Okay, Gus. Don't know. Now we're going into the Outer Banks. Where is Hatteras? Okay, here's some. -40? You know that's not true. It's summertime. Next Head. King Devil Hills. Dock. Near Kitty Hawk. Okay, so my question is, where's Hatteras? Greenville, Wilson, Walking, Raleigh, Cary, all those places. My question is, where's Hatteras? You guys will have to be sat down. Sorry. Hatteras. Is this Hatteras? Oh, there's Hatteras. Hatteras is the kind of main part of the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Elizabeth City. Caravella. Over. I don't know. And then Edenton. Well guys, I think that'll have to wrap up this video. Guys, this just can't be true. -40. Well, guys, I think that'll have to wrap up this video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and hit that little bell. As I said, leave a comment. Oh, if you came to this point, leave a comment saying Hurricane Dorian. Also, all this funds would go to American Red Cross helping. Oh my gosh! Stop taunting on me! Which one do I want to end off? Let's end off with Cocoa Beach. Those dots are not from my screen. I swear. It's from... Bye.